I hate the tip know when to peak. Sorry. This is like an unpopular opinion.
Sa unang pagkakataon, ibinahagi mismo ng isa sa mga ipinagmamalaking Pilipina, si Megan Young, ang kauna-unahang Filipina na nanalo ng Miss World title noong 2013. Ang tunay na sikreto kung paano magwagi sa isang international beauty pageant. Ang kanyang tagumpay ay nagwakas sa 62 years na paghihintay ng Pilipinas sa naturang prestihiyosong kompetisyon. Sa isang panayam sa podcast ni Kylie Versosa na Almost Honest Podcast, inilahad ni Megan ang kanyang naging karanasan at ang malupit na sikreto kung paano niya nakuha ang corona sa Miss World 2013. Ibinahagi rin niya kung paano nagtagumpay sina Catriona Gray at Kylie Versosa sa kanilang international pageants.
I hate the tip know when to peak. Sorry. This is like an unpopular opinion.
Yeah?
I hate that one.
Why so?
Because you should be at the top of your game all the
love
time. I was at the top of my game
I
all
love
the
that.
time. Catriona was on top of her game all the time. You were the same. Pia was the same.
I was.
And I don't think you should lay low and then peak. I think you should show them who you are from day one. Show them your greatness from day one so that they know and they see you are a worthy opponent and that you are worthy of the crown.
You have a month or 3 to go 100%.
Yeah.
Give it your all.
You better wake up at the beginning of the day and be 100% ready. You show them, hey, I'm your winner.
Exactly.
From day
In your
one.
head, you should be like, there is no other winner but me.
Yeah, you feel like a winner.
Gayunpaman, hindi lahat ay natuwa sa kanyang revelasyon. May ilang netizens na bumatikos kay Megan at binalikan pa ang kanyang nakaraan bilang umano'y weakest link sa reality talent show na Starstruck noong 2004, kung saan 14 years old pa lamang siya noon. Ayon sa netizen, one of the weakest kakaya sa Starstruck noon. Totoo, tapos iyakin during Starstruck days. But probably she matured after that and during the pageant, iba na ang nagain niyang confidence. Para sa ilan, tila ipinapahiwatig nito na wala umanong karapatan si Megan na magbigay ng payo. Sa kabila nito, marami rin ang dumepensa sa beauty queen. Iginiit na bata pa siya noon at malaki na ang kanyang ipinagbago. Ayon sa kanyang mga taga-suporta, malinaw na nagkaroon siya ng sapat na karanasan, wisdom at confidence bago niya nasungkit ang Miss World crown. Hindi rin may kakaila na si Megan Young ay isang highly respected figure sa mundo ng pageantry. Ngayong ibinahagi na ni Megan Young ang kanyang sikreto sa pagwawagi, inaasahang magsisilbi itong inspirasyon at gabay para sa maraming kababaihang nangangarap maging beauty queen at magtagumpay sa international stage.